Hi traders, here we are on this live trade over here. Why do you think we took this trade? What's the reasoning behind it? How are we going to trade manage it? And where's our target? All this and more in this live trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Narpan here, founder of Master the Markets, Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are on this trade over here on the GBPUSD on the 1 hour time frame. What we are looking at is actually capturing the range. So as you can see, yesterday's bar was 111 ATR. Today would be 80% of that would be about 88 pips. And as of now, the bar range is only 69, so it hasn't done that. And I'm looking at the price route over here. It did take out its upper stretch over here. Of course, for those of you not familiar with the stretch principles, please look at our previous intraday videos. You can see over here that it's taken up the upper stretch, came back down, took the lower stretch, up, back again, and then coming back further down. And when it did that lower stretch once more, and that's where we entered, because of looking at time as well, that it's got to complete this range usually by about 3 or 4 p.m.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now we took this in the direction of a short where the blue line is. As of now, not really looking good, not really very pretty over here, down about minus 250 over here. But you know what, you have to follow your plan, you have to wait until the end of the bar closes at the end of the hour, and that's when we will start trailing this stop loss. Until then, we can't really do much. We've got to follow the plan, because remember, it's the cumulative set of numbers that we are looking at to finally get our net profit and loss for the system or the strategy that you're doing. Consistent execution is very, very critical. So I will wait till the end of the hour before we trail this to the high of every bar. Okay, so I'll leave that as that is. I'll pause the video here and we'll see you at the next 1 hour. Hello traders, as you can see now the hour has finished and we've got the bar that has formed over here. So what we'll do is a very simple trail. We will trail this. Now this is where our initial stop loss is, where the red line is. Now move that initial stop loss all the way to the high of this bar. Okay, so that's what we will be doing at the moment. And so what is that high of that bar? 12586. So to take out that high will be 2587, 1 pip spread, 12588. So I'll just do that over here. 12588, 1.2588. That's what I will do over here. And there you go. So that's been changed. Target will be 2531 is what we'll be doing. So let's do that as well. 1.2531. Okay, and that's pretty much that, all set in at the moment. Okay,
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
now a couple of things what I do want to let you guys know is that if you do remember, in the previous hour this bar was racing up to the high. It was going really against us vigorously and aggressively. But however, we just stuck to our plan. That's all you can do. Remember, the future you will never know. All you do know is the present moment and what you should be executing in your strategy, because you have defined your edge already. Okay, as you can see, eventually what happened, if you didn't act on impulse, what happened? It went up all the way to here and then came back down and then closed over here. We still do not know how this trade is going to close, but all we do know is just trail it according to our plan and follow our consistent execution. Okay, so I'll pause the video over here and we'll see how that carries on into the next hour. Hello traders, there you go. So you have the trade now, it's going against us. I just saw that we have missed that trail, so I'm just going to close it immediately, and that's what I'm going to do. So there you go. That was a small loss of about £250. You see, I was just away from the desk and we just missed trailing that stop. So let's see how much we actually lost. This is what we call the cash versus the system. Okay, that means accordingly what should have happened versus what really happened. System is your ideal scenario. Let's take a look at that. This is where we entered, and that's where we got stopped. Should have got stopped out at 20 pips, including spread as well. That's about 200 pounds of loss, whereas we got out over here, which was 250 pounds. So we were a discrepancy of 5 pips against the cash versus the system. Okay, so that's what you guys should also have all the time as well. Okay, cash versus system. That's why sometimes it's better to automate things as well, but always there must be some monitoring happening. I guess that's that. On this trade, it wasn't what we expected. It did look its best to go further down, but it's just pulling up. Looks like there's quite a strong support over there. But I guess that's pretty much that for today's trading. We will stop at that point with this small loss, and also with you guys understanding the importance of cash versus system, and what should have happened, what really happened. Other than that, for those of you who are not sure the terminology that we're using here, highly recommend Trader Starter Pack. Please go over there to learn the principles, cross-transferable principles for both trading and investment. Okay, a lot of years of research that we put into that, over 12 years of research, that will be highly beneficial to you guys. That's all from me on this video, traders, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.